Hi.
Hi.
Welcome back to another video. Today we are doing something really exciting. What are we doing?
We're walking up Snowdon, hopefully.
We're trying, but it's forecast to be -9 degrees and winds of 50 miles an hour. So we're gonna give it our best shot.
So basically we're just really hardcore.
Breakfast of champions. Okay, we're in the car now. Here we are.
Hello.
Getting ready for an hour-and-a-half drive. And Natasha's already got her layers on. Here we go, another one's going on. We've arrived in Snowdonia and we're just checking because there's gale force winds and strong UV. So we don't want to get blown over. Okay, so we're starting now, very exciting. It's like 10.5 miles. Not even the train is going, but let's see how we do. Okay, we've barely started. We've done a really big hill though, and we're really struggling. And Natasha's just taken off a layer of trousers and about 3 layers of tops. So I've just taken off my coat. Now we're gonna keep walking, and I think once we get to the top of this, we get some lunch.
No.
We're stopping every 5 seconds, but it's fine. Slow and steady wins the race.
Here.
Yeah, this is the hardest bit of the route. That was a major misjudgment. This is where we started, by that boat. We've stopped for lunch and we just got caught in the most you look like the 118 guys. We just got caught in the most horrific winds, like awful winds.
We also told that in like maybe an hour's time up, it gets really, really unbearably windy.
We've just been warned, so we'll see how it goes, but we're currently blowing away. Like we're covered in dust because of that wind. So our lunch is extending. Natasha's on her second bap.
We ate breakfast at like 7:30.
Yeah, it's been a long day, so this is halfway house, but we're not at halfway, so we'll pretend it's halfway. How are you feeling? Words?
I'm glad because I thought we were actually further down than we are.
Yeah.
And now looking on the map, it's only about this much.
A lot of people have walked past us talking about how dangerous it is up there, and like professional people haven't made it to the top, so we'll be the only ones doing that today. There is snow. Putting one in or taking one out. Go. It is windy, we promise. I can tell you it's windy because I didn't put this hood up myself, did I? Natasha's climbing up this waterfall to collect some spring water because we're not that well prepared. Bear Grylls, eat your heart out. Good. We both drank the water. It's got quite a few bits in it, so diarrhea. No, we'll see how we do. It tasted fine, because obviously cholera's got that taste, hasn't it? We think we've worked out we're quite close. I mean, we could be surprising. We could be in our words.
Looking at the map.
Looking at the map.
We were on this side of the map.
Yeah.
Which we were, but it's repeated. So actually, we're almost at the 3/4 way station. Very close to that. And then it's just 1/4 left.
Yeah.
Though it is the toughest part.
Yeah.
But like still.
We'll see how it goes. By the way, if you've never climbed Snowdon, this is far harder than I thought it was going to be. Like, this is really difficult, but we're still going. Pose. What is this kind of pose? What is that? And we started all the way by that lake. And look how far we've come.
3/4.
Yeah. Walk and talk. Okay, so we're just walking up here and we're just almost there. Not. But hey ho. Cut.
Almost.
Oh, you're gonna be cold! Yay! So this train track isn't meant to be working today, and then a train just came, so we had to get on the snow. That was scary. We are so close to the summit. So close, it's like, oh, you can't see it from here, but we can see it a minute ago. Soon! This was us on the top of Snowdon, but the wind is so loud you can't hear us, and we couldn't even stand up because the wind was immense. Chilling on the floor. Okay, we've stopped in this nice little nook. How nice is that? For some hot chocolate. This hot chocolate was made at 8 AM. It's now about 4 PM and it's still warm. It's hot even. Can you see this like water flowing down? See your trophy? Okay, so we're walking down now. It's much colder and we also literally nearly got blown away. We had to link arms because we was getting blown away. But it's okay now. Because I have contacts and I'm afraid they're going to blow away. Welcome to the... This bit is far harder to climb. It was really hard because it was steep to climb up, but now it's really dangerous to climb down. We are on the home run, finally. But anyway, it's really... My hip is not doing well. It did this on DV and it didn't recover for months, so hopefully, I don't know, I'm not holding up much hope. Natasha's knees aren't doing well. So, but we're nearly back, thank God. We finished it finally. It was quite the trek, but quite the expedition, but we've made it. We've done 33,475 steps. So it was quite the long day, but now we're on the car home, thank God. I just want to say, this was a sponsored walk because I'm doing a volunteering trip in Fiji this summer, and 100% of my fundraising target goes towards like teaching resources, classroom resources, medical equipment, and all stuff that goes directly to helping with the charity. So if you're able to give anything, please do, and if you do give anything, you'll be entered into a prize draw to win £20. Link down below.